So this, children, is my brand new 2019 BMW M2 Competition, and I blame those internet jokers, people like Joe Achilles, for making entertaining videos that made me want to buy it in the first place. It's quite a step up from the old M2 in some ways. You've got the nice 19-inch forged wheels with the big M Performance 6 pots, massive rotors. Now you've got proper end seats with the M2 logo that illuminates, and most importantly, of course, under here is the S55 M3 M4 engine, making 410 horses and a similar amount in torque, and that's ample for a small car this size. Got nice adaptive LED headlights, and this one is the 7-speed auto, and I really wanted the auto because I broke my leg badly a few years back, and it's just much nicer as a daily driver when you're commuting to have that auto box. And the bottom line is they're just faster. They change gear quicker, much quicker than you ever could in terms of you know, the manual box basically. And although you lose a little bit of character engagement, if you like, by losing that manual box, you know, I think their day is done, and the auto transmissions are just better, period, I think, in my personal opinion. So this particular car that I have has the carbon fibre mirror pods, and they are absolutely stunning, aren't they? Absolutely beautiful. And then it also has the carbon fibre wing as well. Really nice touch. And I've only done a couple hundred miles in it so far, but I'm very happy with it, very pleased. It really is a lot of fun. It's a lot of engine in a small car, and I think if you have a nice big engine, and this is a 3-litre twin turbo straight 6 in a small car, then you can't help but have a bit of fun with it. A lot of people think this is kind of similar in dimensions and size and weight to earlier M3s like the E46, etc. And I'm not really a connoisseur enough with BMW cars to know one way or the other what they drive like. But a lot of people are sort of saying this is the driver's car out the M series now, and the one that's kind of most similar to those original M cars, if you like, and are just kind of fun driver's cars. So anyway, I like it. I'll be doing a few things to it and enjoying it in the coming months, and I shall let you know how I get on, and make a few more videos, and hopefully some of you out there are car nuts as well as bike nuts. And although my videos are generally about motorcycles with the Ride On series, I think all my motorcycle friends will also appreciate a nice small hardcore car like this.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all your feedback and support for the Ride On channel. I hope you're already a Ride On subscriber, but if not, please subscribe straight away. And last but not least, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.